Alakazam! Good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. If you haven't watched any of my previous Maui vlogs, go check them out. There's quite a few. There should be at least. It's Thursday. I had to think about that one for a sec. We are gonna go up to Kapalua. I don't know where that is, but my parents are saying it's nice and we're gonna go get some lunch. I'm starving. I will see you guys when we're there. At the montage, right? It's like the nicest place ever. We ate lunch. Now we're going back. Where are we going? We're going to Lahaina. We're going back to our place. So see you guys there. Hello. We're back at our place. We're gonna go down to the pool. Yay! I don't know what we're doing later today.
We may go to an Italian dinner at the Westin.
Okay.
And then we have to get up at the crack of dawn because we're going snorkeling on Molokini and we have to be there at 7.
That's gonna be sick. Alright, I'll see you guys when we're not at doing something or something. Hello guys. It is the next day. We are up at 6:19 in the morning and normally we've been getting up at like 11. But it's good. It's very dark outside. Very dark outside. Can't see anything. We're gonna go snorkel Molokini. Right? Molokini?
Yes.
And yeah, that'll be fun. We're not actually snorkeling, we're doing snuba, and that's where you like are attached to a boat and then you scuba dive, but you're connected to a boat. So you can stay like 10 feet. I don't even know. I don't know. It's cool. I'll see you guys later.
Oh my god, they're so big! Oh, you're gonna take it. Yeah, that's right. I know.
That's hilarious, right?
I don't know.
It's pretty weird.
It looks like there's a ghost driving it. Sea captain.
Oh, that's pretty funny. It's like, what?
Why is it Disney now?
Alright, that was Molokini, and we're going to Turtle something.
Turtle
now.
Town.
Turtle Town now. So we're gonna see some turtles. Hopefully, hopefully.
Myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
We're back at our hotel now. That was fun. Snuba is fun. It's kind of annoying. I had to drag my dad around. I got a good workout, and I was attached. So there was a tube. You can see in my GoPro videos. Hopefully those work. I had a tube with air coming to me. So I was floating around, and then I'd try to go down, and then all of a sudden I'd get yanked back like I was on a leash. So I was sick. My cousin and I were saying we should go spearfishing. I gotta get certified. I know someone that can help me. Hey, all right, we're gonna go golf down at the putting green down there. We're gonna putt at the putting green, and then head over to the Westin, where our cousins are. So yeah, you guys can see my sun rash right here. I don't know how well it's showing up because I have my thing back. It's not showing up at all. Right up in this hizzle, I'm looking in the mirror. I have this rash, and it feels like there's hot pins and needles in all those little bumps, and it's not comfortable. So that's great. I'm gonna get some anti-itch lotion when we're over at their hotel room. But yeah, hopefully that goes away soon because I've had it for like 3 days. Oh yes. See you guys later. My dad ran down the hallway. He went the wrong way. I rang 4 doorbells. Hey guys, it's 1 in the morning. I'm gonna go to bed now. I had fun with my cousins. We played cards until early. So I'm gonna end the vlog in the morning, but I just want to remind you guys to be positive, to think happy thoughts, and I want to let you guys know that 2018 is gonna be the best year yet. And I love you guys, and it really means a lot to me that you guys watch these vlogs. I love you, bye. This is our room for a day. We got a view of the mountain over here. And we got some nice, beautiful water of the ocean. And then a drop right there. We're staying at the Hyatt now. We used to come in this area a lot, a lot. Tomorrow we're leaving. We fly out at like 11, so that's wonderful. Tomorrow's Sunday. I want to relax now. I don't know what we're doing today. I got late earlier, so that's sick. I'm laying on this bed. Oh, the Hyatt's very nice. We're gonna hang out at the pool for the most part today. Then we have a sunset cruise at like 6. I don't know, but yeah. I don't know if I should end the vlog or not, but maybe. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog. I'm gonna take these last hours I have in Maui to relax and to just be with my family and everything. And because as you know, my cousins are here, so we're gonna meet up with them. Go on a sunset cruise, and that's in a couple hours. I'll take some pictures, but you know, I've gotten quite a lot of video of the sunsets. I'll definitely get some video. I might put it at the end of the video or something, but yeah, I've had a really fun time in Maui. It's been really nice. I'm glad I got to see my cousins, because that was just like, oh, okay, we're all here together. And then, yeah, done a lot of cool stuff. Snoobing yesterday was really fun. I'm staring at the water right now as I'm talking. And this palm tree with some baby little coconuts in it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed all of these vlogs. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And I just want to take a quick moment to thank you for watching, just like I did last night. It means a lot. So shout out you. I love you. You're beautiful. I don't know what I'd do without you. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful start to your 2018. Like, share, and subscribe to become my apprentice. Peace out. Maui edition.
Yeah, we gotta go to the front of the boat.
What do you like?